Hello YouTube, this is going to be a video of the ceiling fan display at Home Depot. Silver one right here is kind of cool. $200 though. Hunter Oakhurst. I mean, I don't really like any of the fans here. Hunters are pretty cheap. That one's LED, that's kind of cool. Harbor Breeze canopy, I don't know what that's doing here. Probably someone looking for a new canopy and accidentally left theirs. This one's also kind of cool. But yeah, like I said, I don't really like any of the newer fans. They're all pretty much garbage. The only brass one there. That's another one of those LED lights. That one's kind of cool. If I were to buy any of these fans, it would probably be this Hunter Atkinson, but like I said, I don't like any of the newer fans. They're all made pretty cheap. Alright, thanks for watching.